Welcome to Alarms for Anyone installation video. We're going to learn how to mount a smoke detector. If your smoke detector came with a little red cap on it, then you just go ahead and peel that off and you should be okay. And you can see at the top of the smoke detector, or I have a mark on the actual detector, and then I have a mark and an arrow on the base of it. You just go ahead and untwist it. That arrow is to point the direction you twist the base, so the top of it will twist the other direction when you secure it on the wall. We'll take that off, put the detector down, then we'll mount the base. Go ahead and get there's 4 holes here. You can see those holes. You can put them really anywhere that you want. And so I'm just going to pick a hole here. Go ahead. And secure the base to my wall, to my ceiling. When you mount these, it's best to mount them on the ceiling, and then it's also best to mount them 12 inches or more away from a wall. So if it's in a corner, you're going to want to mount it 12 inches away from the corner. It's best to put them on the upper floors of the home, because when a fire starts, the smoke migrates upward at a very rapid rate. And so if you feel like you need more than one smoke detector, that you can mount them on another floor as well, or in an area where you're worried that smoke might not get to it. Now, what I'm going to do is, I have already installed the batteries for you. You can see the mark that I have on here. I'm just going to line it up with the mark on my base, and then the base will twist the direction of the arrow, so I twist the top of it the other direction. Then it's secured and you should be good.